What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great and welcome all to Cilinix Crypto. And in the next few minutes we'll be doing a price analysis and a price prediction based on top of that analysis on Matic or the Polygon network. As you all might know, Polygon is one of my favorite projects and therefore I analyze Matic quite a lot. I use the both interchangeably. I use Matic more because I actually do think that the token is still called Matic. So yeah, if we take a look at the statistics, you can see that the volume is a little bit down, but it's still 8.6% of the market cap, which isn't bad. Definitely not for a high market cap coin. It's still 1 billion, which is quite a lot of money. So if we actually get into this price analysis of Matic, so obviously what happens to Matic also depends on what happens to Bitcoin and the whole market. So if you do want to check that out, check out the Bitcoin prediction I posted yesterday. There I basically explain every scenario and everything that could happen based upon important key areas. But yeah, let's get into it for Matic specific. So what we did is a few days ago, the 2nd of March, we managed to get to 1.7 again. From there obviously dropped down again together with the whole crypto market. Now that Bitcoin is also down to 41,000. It's nearing 42,000 again, but still it's down. So basically two things can happen. The most important level right now is 1.6. What I think is the most likely scenario is that we will actually consolidate now between 1.5 and 1.6. So that would mean that now we're going up to 1.6, but that we will find resistance there. I think that's the most likely scenario, and that we then consolidate, and what happens from there is really depending on the fundamentals, but I'd say that the most likely scenario as of right now, with the fear in the market and these quite bearish fundamentals, is that we consolidate and that we drop down to 1.42, 1.4, that area again, which I do think will hold, and from there we'll just consolidate and start an uptrend again, in my opinion. But that will be a little bit too far in the future, and I'll probably update it by then as well. So keep an eye out on the channel for Matic predictions if you do want to check that out. But if we so I think that's the most likely scenario, but within that consolidation between 1.6 and 1.5, if we're in that consolidation and good news comes out, I think we'll easily get up to 1.7 again. And from that 1.7, that obviously opens possibilities to also trend up to 1.8, 1.85, this big key area again. So that would be great. That is still possible. It's not that if we get into this consolidation between 1.6 and 1.5 that it's inevitable that we'll drop down to 1.4, but it's the most likely scenario in my opinion. Of course, as I said, good news could change that scenario completely. And the same goes for if we do manage to break 1.6 right now. It's the whole crypto market is unpredictable. That is possible. Then we would probably find some resistance at 1.65, but I don't think that would be enough to actually stop us from going up to 1.7, which would open up all those possibilities of going to 1.8 sooner, which would be great. So that is all possible. I think that is quite unlikely right now, but still it is possible. So just keep that in the back of your mind as well. But until then, this is my price analysis on Matic or Polygon. So if you do have any questions about anything I said in this video or about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.